Hey, what's up? If you're a researcher buried in mountains of biomedical articles, I've got a game changer for you. Let me introduce PubTator 3.0, the ultimate tool to supercharge how you explore biomedical literature. Okay, so imagine you've got thousands of PubMed articles to sift through. You need to find genes, diseases, chemicals, all that stuff. And you want it fast, like yesterday. That's where PubTator 3.0 totally crushes it. PubTator 3.0 is basically your AI-powered assistant for literature mining. You just toss in your search and it automatically highlights key concepts like genes, mutations, diseases, and chemicals. It's almost like having a super smart lab buddy who never sleeps. Here's how it works. You paste a PubMed link or upload your own text, and PubTator 3.0 instantly tags all the important terms for you. Genes? Highlighted. Diseases? Yep, highlighted. Even those complicated variants and species get picked up, making it super easy to spot what matters. What's even cooler is that you can export all your findings, ready to plug into your own tools or spreadsheets. No more copying and pasting or losing track of where you found that one critical mutation. And the best part? It's completely free. No annoying paywalls, no registration needed. You get access to the latest deep learning algorithms, so the tool just keeps getting smarter the more you use it. If you're worried about missing out on new discoveries, don't be. PubTator 3.0 is updated with the freshest PubMed articles, so you're always on top of what's new in the biomedical world. Let's say you're researching a rare gene disease association. Instead of spending hours scrolling through articles, PubTator 3.0 pulls out the key info in seconds. That means you can spend more time actually doing science and less time searching for it. So why struggle with manual highlighting or clunky tools when you could have all this power right at your fingertips? If you haven't tried PubTator 3.0 yet, now's the time. Head over to the website, give it a spin, and see how much faster your research can move. All right, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments what tools you want me to cover next. Until next time,